My name is Paul Donnie. I'm CEO at Advanced Digital Automotive Group. We are a digital marketing company for the aftermarket automotive services industry. So we started something just recently called the Golden Wrench Award. We looked at a lot of the people. The more I got into the industry, I saw the amount of people that were in it that had really dedicated their lives to it and had really had significant impacts. So we decided to create an award so we could honor these individuals for their achievements. So if you know anybody or yourself that has had significant impact in the automotive industry, please go to goldenwrenchaward.com and you can nominate yourself or an individual for the award, and we'll start the process from there. So it's goldenwrenchaward.com. So prior to joining AMRA and MAP, Jeff, he worked in several leadership roles in marketing and education for Bridgestone, so where he had a positive track record driving sales and profit, and then was named vice president here at AMRA MAP. And he was hired to develop overall strategy, including membership recruitment, which is up over 20% since he's been at the helm. So we really appreciate that. So I think one of the biggest contributions is the years that he spent teaching and molding younger students and preparing them for the automotive industry. So as president of AMRA, he's worked to improve the automotive aftermarket and helps shops strengthen their relationships with customers through consistency and transparency. So his work has definitely had a positive impact on a lot of people's lives. So we at Advanced Digital Automotive Group are proud to present you with the very first Golden Wrench Award ever. Wow.
Yeah, well, wow. I knew you were coming up. I didn't know this is what we were doing. So I don't have a whole lot to say other than thank you, Paul.
Thanks,
and you know, Paul has been such a cheerleader of us and has done so much work with us and helped us build our websites and do all that. So I appreciate that from that standpoint. And you know, obviously, all of the work that we do, it's not me. You know, I have the privilege to work with two people that are really, really special, and we couldn't do half the stuff. All of the accolades, it really goes to the team. So, Joellen, thank you for everything that you do. You deserve this. Timothy, thank you for everything that you do. None of this stuff would be here without both of you. So I appreciate it. Thank you so much.
It is amazing what three people get done here at AMRA. It really is.
Yeah, I agree. Thank you very much.